Hey everybody, and welcome back. Today we're making an easy dessert, and I'm going to show y'all how quick and easy you can take some Ritz crackers, peanut butter, and some white chocolate and make something easy and quick that you don't have to heat up the house. It's a great summertime dessert, and it's fast. Let's get started. We're going to go ahead first and start heating up and melting our white chocolate. And I'm going to start off with like half of this pack of white chocolate. We're just going to put it in here and we're going to put it in the microwave for like 1 minute, and then just keep an eye on it and keep it stirred every 30 seconds. And now we're just going to put our peanut butter in this little dish right here so I can get to it easier to spoon it on to my crackers. This dessert is so quick and easy, and you don't even have to turn on your oven. All you have to do is melt that chocolate in the microwave. And then we're going to take our Ritz crackers and just lay them out on this parchment paper so I can get my peanut butter on them. You're sort of making like a peanut butter sandwich out of Ritz crackers. Now I made these a while back. Actually, it was Christmas, I believe, last year, and everybody just loved them. We gave them for little gifts. We made like 6 or 7. And we put in a bag and made little gift bags and gave everybody some of these white chocolate covered peanut butter crackers. So that's, you just put you a spoon of peanut butter in on one, and then take your other one and make your little sandwich. And now that kids are out of school, this right here would make a great little thing they could do if you wanted to let them have a little treat. And they could even help you do it because it's so simple and easy. And now if you wanted to get real fancy with these, you could even add a little jelly to your peanut butter. Not much, because it would make it run out of the cracker, but just a tiny bit of jelly could even be added to your peanut butter. So now I've got to open up this other pack. I'm short 1 cracker to make my last little sandwich from that bag. Okay, we're getting our chocolate almost where we want it. We're going to put it back in there for about 30 more seconds. Okay, we've got our chocolate melted. So now we're going to start dipping our peanut butter Ritz crackers in the chocolate. We're just going to take and put it in there, and then I'm going to use this little thing and we're just going to flip them and get them well coated. That's what they're going to be looking like. Now we're going to put it over here on our parchment paper and let it dry. We'll just place them in there You can either like take your little chocolate and try to drizzle it over the top of it, but it's just as easy to go ahead and just flip your cracker. And then you get a real good coat on each cracker. Now, the year that I done a lot of these, I would even have to sort of put my chocolate back in the microwave. Or when we done a double boiler one time and melted our chocolate. I would just keep it on the double boiler and keep my chocolate good and warm so it don't start getting hard on you. So if it does that with the microwave method, just stick it back in the microwave for another 30 seconds. But so far, it's doing real good right now when we just first got it out of the microwave. Okay, y'all, that's what they're looking like. Now, I'm making these to take to work tomorrow for our end of the year party we're having at school. I just hope they make it there, because they sure are looking good. So this easy summer little dessert you can make with only 3 ingredients. You have your Ritz crackers, your peanut butter, and your chocolate. You could even use regular chocolate. We're using white chocolate for these, but you could use even the regular chocolate. You can sprinkle the tops with anything you like. You could even take a little, like, some kind of cracker and crumble up on the top like a graham cracker and put like a little crust on the top of them. You could grate up a little bit of real chocolate, like dark chocolate. And now we're just going to put a few little sprinkles on each cookie. Now we're going to let them dry, and then we'll put them in a plate. Okay, y'all, if you like our video on making this easy time summer dessert, which is 3 ingredients. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.